Prepare to be awestruck by the universe's most breathtaking visuals. The 2025 ZWO Astronomy Photographer of the Year Awards have just unveiled a stunning collection of cosmic masterpieces, capturing everything from swirling galaxies to Earth's shimmering auroras. But here's where it gets controversial. Can a single photograph truly redefine how we perceive the cosmos? Or is it just another stunning view of a well-known subject? Let's dive into the winners and discover what makes these images stand out in the vastness of space. The Royal Observatory Greenwich, in partnership with camera manufacturer ZWO, hosted its 17th annual competition, receiving over 5,800 submissions from astrophotographers worldwide. On September 11th, an international panel of experts announced the winners during a live-streamed event. The overall champion, a jaw-dropping portrait of the Andromeda Galaxy, captured by Weitang Liang, Qi Yang, and Chu Hongyu. This image will grace the walls of the National Maritime Museum in the UK starting September 12th, alongside category winners. Dr. Ed Bloomer, a Royal Observatory judge, called the year's entries some of the best astrophotography in the world, noting how they challenge viewers to ponder the techniques behind the magic. Even the judges found themselves questioning how these results were achieved, he added. Auroras. Crown of Light by Kevin Che. Kevin Che's photo of a vibrant aurora dancing above New Zealand's Tumbledown Bay is a testament to patience and precision. Taken during a G5 geomagnetic storm on May 10, 2024. The red, green, and yellow lights were captured over 2 separate nights using a Nikon Z7 Astro-modified camera. The result? A celestial ballet that seems to pulse with life. Our Moon, The Trace of Refraction by Marcella Julia Pace. Marcella Julia Pace turned her lens to Sicily skies on April 7, 2024, to document the moon's light as it twisted through Earth's atmosphere. The resulting hues, caused by Rayleigh scattering, are a visual lesson in physics. Shorter blue wavelengths scatter more, while longer reds pass through unimpeded. But here's the twist. Could this effect be replicated on Earth without leaving our atmosphere? Share your thoughts in the comments. Our Sun, Active Region of the Sun's Chromosphere by James Sinclair. James Sinclair's 10-second exposure of the Sun's chromosphere offers a glimpse into a realm of chaos. Using a Lunt 130mm telescope and a Player 1 astronomy camera, he captured hydrogen and helium plasma being molded by the Sun's magnetic field. It's a reminder that even our closest star holds secrets we're only beginning to unravel. People's Space, ISS Lunar Flyby by Tom Williams. Tom Williams snapped the International Space Station zipping past the moon's surface on October 27, 2024. With a 1.5 millisecond exposure and a Skywatcher 400T telescope, he froze a fleeting moment in space history. And this is the part most people miss. How many of us have seen the ISS pass by, yet never thought to capture it? Planets, comets, asteroids. Comet 12P Pons-Brooks by Dan Bartlett. Dan Bartlett's image of Comet 12P Pons-Brooks, taken around solar maximum in early 2024, reveals intricate details in its trail. This comet, with its horns, has been dubbed the Horned Comet. But do we give enough credit to the fleeting beauty of comets, or do we overlook them in favor of galaxies? Let us know. Skyscapes. The Ridge by Tom Ray. Tom Ray stitched together 62 images to create a billion-pixel panorama of the Milky Way arching over New Zealand's Aoraki Mount Cook National Park. Captured on April 8, 2024, this image is a modern-day star map, blending natural beauty with technical prowess. Could such a project be replicated by amateur photographers with the right tools? The answer might surprise you. Stars Nebulas, M13, Ultra-Deep Exposure by Distant Luminosity. Julian Zoller, Jan Beckman, Lucas Eisert, and Wolfgang Hummel spent 29 hours capturing the Hercules cluster, M13, 22,200 light-years away. Their ZWO ASI 2600mm Pro camera and 200mm telescope revealed a stellar city teeming with stars. But here's a thought. Does the time investment justify the reward? Or is there a point where technology overshadows the art? Share your views below. Best newcomer. Encounter Across Light Years by Gong Shizhen Ruin. Gong and Shizhen Ruin's Perseid meteor, streaking past the Andromeda Galaxy, is a rare catch. Using a Nikon Z30 on August 12, 2024, they immortalized a moment that most would miss. Could you spot such a meteor during a shower? The odds are stacked against us, but the reward is pure magic. Young Astronomy Photographer of the Year, Orion in H Alpha by Daniele Borsari. Daniele Borsari's monochrome view of the Orion and Horsehead nebulas, compiled from 22 hours of Italian observations, is a masterclass in patience. H Alpha imaging reveals the nebulae's hidden details, but how accessible is this technique to beginners? The answer might change your approach to astrophotography. Annie Maunder Open Category, Fourth Dimension by Leonardo DiMaggio. Leonardo DiMaggio fused a meteorite's geometric patterns with James Webb Telescope data to create an image resembling an alien city. This blend of Earth and space raises a question. Where is the line between art and science in astrophotography? Is this a valid category, or does it stretch the competition's purpose? Overall winner, The Andromeda Core by Weiteng Liang Qiyang Chuhong Yu. Laszlo Franczyk, a judge, praised the Andromeda Galaxy image for its unprecedented detail and dynamic composition. Captured over 38 hours with a 20-inch telescope, the photo offers a fresh perspective on a familiar galaxy. But does it truly add to our understanding, or is it simply a technical marvel? The photographers themselves admitted they never expected to win. Yet their work has now reached millions. Could you achieve this with the same equipment? Let the debate begin. Special feature, Earth from Orbit by Don Pettit. NASA astronaut Don Pettit's image of Earth from the ISS, taken in March 2025, is a blend of art and engineering. Using a homemade sidereal tracker, he froze the stars while Earth blurred below. This image is a reminder of our planet's fragility and the human ingenuity it takes to capture it. Want to share your cosmic shots? Send your photos, comments, and details to spacephotos@space.com. Join our space forums to discuss the latest missions and night sky wonders. And if you have a tip or correction, email community@space.com. Anthony Wood, a Space.com contributor since April 2025, brings his passion for the cosmos, science, and human exploration to every article. He's ready for the day astronauts return to the moon, and so are we. What do you think? Will these images inspire the next generation of astrophotographers? Or are we already seeing the peak of this art form? Share your thoughts in the comments below.